Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video. On this video we're going to be going over on how to connect a domain to your website. So once you're over here on your websites on the Pixel Perfect app, to connect your domain you're going to go to a website that you haven't connected a domain yet. I'm just going to go to this practice 2, click over here in these 3 little dots and click on connect domain. Over here is where you can put your domain in. For example, I'm just going to put, if my domain was like this, and you can choose the region that you want your website to be published in. Over here I'm just going to choose North America and you can click save. Once you do that, you can click on I got it, and we're going to click on save. This just showed up again. I'm just going to click I got it, and it's going to refresh our screen and my domain will be linked to my website. As we can see over here, if I click on it, you can see let's connect domain if I want to, and we can also activate the SSL. This is going to be it for the video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.